Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell what are the momentum indicators you need to observe for doing intraday trading. So detailed explanation will be in the next video. I will do in next videos, but in this video, I am just going to show brief introduction of each parameter. So if you go there here and view chart and go to this FX, and then here some of the studies, and based on these momentum indicators you can just decide whether to buy or sell a stock. And there are different indicators and studies are available, and you can decide whether you need to add which one to add. So and I added here 5 parameters, like you can see 50-day moving average, RSI, super trend, volume, and also 200-day moving average. So these parameters can be useful for doing intraday trading, whether to buy or sell a particular stock. Once you, after adding these parameters, then you can go here and save preferences. Once you do save preference, then it will save for whenever you open next time, otherwise it will not save. So that is about the parameters. And here you can see once that is added, then the chart will be changed like this, and the bottom one you can see the volume, and at the particular instant whether the volume is increasing or decreasing. If you want to buy a stock, if the volume is increasing, then you can decide you can buy the stock. You can see if you are decided to buy a stock and the volume is decreasing in that particular time, then you can not buy the stock. Better to not buy that stock in that time. So these are the indicators, but detailing we will discuss in the coming videos. But in today's video, just brief introduction of each parameter. And here RSI is provided, and RSI you can see the variation. It is above 60 indicates the you can decide to buy, and below 40 you can decide to sell of a particular stock. And also similarly you have a 50-day moving average and chart, and 200-day moving average. And if any stock is above the 200-day moving average and it is crossing 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average, and this the stock price is going up, then you can buy that stock. And whenever the 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average, the curve is going down, then you can decide to sell a particular stock. So these are some of the parameters you can use. And super trend, whenever the super trend line, and if the stock price is approaching the super trend, and then there is a chance of increasing the stock price. So like that, these are the some of the parameters which will be definitely useful while doing intraday trading. Just go through, do research of each parameter, and then you decide which way you need to trade. But in the coming videos I will add more detailed explanation about each parameter. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.